Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best butcher twine is probably one of the most underrated kitchen tools, and today, we're diving deep into why you need this unsung hero in your culinary arsenal. From perfectly formed roasts that cook evenly to beautifully tied bundles of herbs and vegetables, butcher twine elevates your cooking game, ensuring impressive presentation and delicious results. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting, using, and mastering this essential cooking tool. Number 5. Norpro Cotton Twine Holder. It keeps your cooking twine neat and organized, always ready when you need it. Say goodbye to tangled messes. This includes a generous 220 feet of high-quality, 100% cotton twine. That's enough for all your kitchen needs and more. It's incredibly versatile. Use it for trussing poultry, tying up meat rolls, or even creating beautiful herb bouquets. It's perfect for trussing turkeys, roasts, and other poultry to ensure even cooking. Just remember to keep it away from open flames. It's great for so much more than cooking. Use it to tie up presents, parcels, or even organize your recycling. The possibilities are endless. The twine itself is food safe, unbleached, and made from 100% natural cotton. It's a reliable and safe choice for your kitchen. What we like. It comes with a stylish steel holder to keep it organized. This ensures you always have twine on hand, ready to use. If you need a large quantity of cotton twine and appreciate convenience, this is the one for you. What people say. Handy twine holder for my kitchen. Keeps it handy and neat right at my fingertips. Stainless steel for easy cleaning. The opening controls the twine. With this holder, the twine stays clean and easily feeds to you as you need it. It was easy for me to do. You just have to thread it through. This is one of the handiest items you could possibly have. Besides using the twine for trussing poultry, you'll find 101 more uses for it. Whether it be tying up tomato plants to a stake, hanging herbs to dry, or any other reason you have to keep something together. The container is beautiful, just a quick wipe off and dry, and it looks like the day you bought it. It has a small footprint in your kitchen, but despite that, whenever you need a piece of string, you'll know right where to go. Number 4. Tenn Butcher's Twine. This high-quality cotton twine is perfect for all your cooking and crafting needs. It's food safe and incredibly versatile. It's made from premium cotton, ensuring it's safe for use with your food. Use it with confidence for trussing meats and poultry. This twine is ideal for trussing a turkey, chicken, or roast, resulting in even cooking and beautiful presentation. Its uses extend beyond the kitchen. It's also great for arts and crafts, gardening, and even bookbinding. With its generous length, you'll have plenty for all your projects. It's strong, durable, and ready for any task. The 3-ply construction makes it extra strong and reliable. You'll appreciate its thickness and durability. What we like. Boasting an impressive length, it's perfect for multiple uses. The thicker, 3-ply design ensures strength and durability for even the toughest jobs. If you need extra strong twine for large roasts or various crafting projects, this is your best bet. What people say. Worked great, no issues. Easy to cut and tie. No issues steaming in pot. The cord is a great quality and can be used for multiple things besides cooking. It's a large spool, so plenty left, so we'll use to tie on gift tags to holiday gift bags. The color, diameter, strength, and feel are perfect for model ship rigging. Knots hold well even when submerged in hot oil turkey fry. Plenty on the roll to last me quite a while, making it a good value. Roll is small enough to fit in a drawer with other cooking utensils. Number 3. Vivifying Butcher's Twine. It's the ultimate kitchen essential for all your cooking and crafting needs. With its generous length and food-safe material, it's perfect for various tasks. Boasting an impressive 656 feet, it's long enough for countless uses. You'll always have plenty on hand for any project. Made from high-quality, food-grade cotton, it ensures safety and peace of mind. It's perfect for preparing your favorite dishes. From trussing a turkey to making sausage, tying meat, or even crafting and gift wrapping, it's incredibly versatile. It's a must-have for any kitchen. It comes neatly coiled for easy dispensing and cutting. You can easily cut it to your desired length, making it incredibly convenient. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll gladly replace it. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. With its incredible length, it's perfect for all your cooking and crafting needs. Made with food-grade cotton, it's safe for all your culinary creations. If you're looking for a long-lasting, versatile twine for various tasks, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This is great baking twine. We used it this past Thanksgiving to tie the turkey with, no problems with it splitting or anything. It's durable, holds up well during baking, and best of all, it hasn't left any fibers on my loaves. The string is strong, holds up to cooking heat, and everything stayed in place. Number 2. Meat Trussing Kit. This kit contains everything you need to truss your meats like a pro. It includes a durable needle and plenty of twine for all your cooking needs. The 7-inch stainless steel needle and 185 feet of twine are built to last. You'll get dozens of uses out of this kit. Threading the twine is a breeze, thanks to the large needle eye. It works with both thick and thin twine. Its sharp point easily pierces even the toughest poultry skin and roasts. Trussing your meats will be effortless. This kit is perfect for preparing poultry, pork, lamb, or any other meat for roasting. It helps seal in flavor and ensures even cooking. Proper trussing not only cooks your meat evenly, but it also makes it look amazing. It keeps a compact and consistent shape. What we like. This kit includes a durable needle, simplifying the trussing process. The twine is perfect for smaller roasts and poultry. If you're looking for a complete trussing solution for even cooking and beautiful presentation, this is the one for you. What people say. Pierces very well and the eye hole is large and very easy to thread the twine through it. The needle itself is long and thick. It came exactly as described and has held up remarkably. We've used it several times and so far there is no stress or bend in the needle. It glides in and out of meat easily, even the thickest of meat, and does exactly what it's supposed to do. The butcher's twine is of great quality and we haven't had issues of it unthreading or breaking while using. The needle worked great and saved us so much time. I didn't have this previously and it was so difficult to see the pig and it took about an hour to dress the whole pig. With this needle and twine it only took 5 minutes to dress the whole pig. Number 1. SpitJack Butcher's Needle. It's a 7-inch durable needle, perfect for thick cuts of meat or stitching. Reusable and built to last, it's your go-to for any large roasting project. Threading is a breeze. The large eye easily accommodates thick or thin butcher's twine. Get your meat trussed quickly and efficiently. Its sturdy, sharp point makes trussing roasts and meats easy and safe. You'll get even cooking in a beautiful presentation every time. Proper trussing ensures even cooking and a uniform serving temperature. It also helps secure your meats during rotisserie cooking and seals in flavor. Made from food-grade stainless steel and dishwasher safe, it's always clean and ready to use. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's safe for your food. This pack contains 2 needles, so you'll always have a spare on hand. Perfect for busy kitchens and large cooking projects. What we like. The pack of 2 durable needles makes trussing multiple dishes a breeze. These needles are designed for various uses, from thick cuts of meat to delicate stitching. If you frequently truss meat and want a reliable, reusable tool, this is perfect. What people say. These are very good, high-quality stainless steel trussing needles. These are great for lacing a 20+ lb turkey. Larger needles are easier to hold with wet hands and less likely to stab your finger. These are large enough to put in the dishwasher. The needles were sturdy, sharp-pointed, and easy to thread. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.